Hello and welcome to the online guide of how to hem your uniform trousers by Graham Gardner. As you can see, I have a packet of hemming web, a small pair of scissors, the iron is ready to go, and I have my uniform trousers, which have already been turned inside out. So what you do first is you take open your packet of hemming web, take out your piece of hemming. There should be enough to do 2 pairs of trousers. The packets of hemming also come with full instructions included. So, first off, you lay out your hemming and you measure the length against the bottom of your trousers to make sure you cut a big enough piece. Snip a length for one side and then slip a second length for the other side. Okay, so we have our 2 pieces of hemming ready to go for your first trouser leg. Put these to one side and then turn the trousers up to the required length, making sure each crease is the same size on both sides. Just before you apply the hemming, please retry your trousers on to make sure you're happy with the length of your trousers that you've chosen. Because once the hemming's applied, you cannot undo them. Okay, so now we've got the length correct. You now insert one piece of hemming into the fold that you've created. Then with a hot iron, push down firmly, apply steam for 20 to 30 seconds. This will now secure the hemming web to that side of the trouser. Then turn over your trouser and repeat on the opposite side. Sliding the hemming into the fold, making sure it's flat, then apply the hot iron. There we go. So now your trousers are fully hemmed. Once you've completed this, you can do the same with the other leg. Then you'll have perfectly hemmed trousers to the length you require. If you have any further inquiries, please contact us at www.grahamgardner.co.uk. Thank you.